Hello fellow traders, I'm gonna show you how to trade AMC stock using only trend lines by drawing them and going into the stock after it breaks that trend line. But before I start, let me show you my legal disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything here should be taken for educational purposes. Well, look at this. These are two tops. You can tell from the shape of the candles. You draw a line between these two tops, and the trend line should not be too steep. It should be from 30 to 45 angle. So as you can see here, I draw a trend line between the two tops points, and I'm gonna wait until this trend line is broken. Then I'm gonna go into the stock. Okay, let's forward this chart a bit because this is the past. As you can see here, I forwarded. Look at this, look at this. We breaked. You can just go into the stock after it breaks the trend line. You can play this a swing trade. You can play it as a day trading. There are many options for you to trade this setup. And merely using only trend line. As simple as this. Don't try to make trading overcomplicated. I'm gonna show you how many setups I can trade on a single stock using only trend lines. I'm gonna play this forward. So if you can calculate, if you want to calculate the percentage, it moved from this point, which is 6.40, all the way up to 8.40. Look at this, 30% of a move. You can join them after the break of the trend line, and you can learn. I know drawing trend line is another skill every trader should has. But you can learn it as long as you train to practice drawing the trend line, and you can show me, ask me about your charts, and I'm gonna give you advices about your trend line. But you must practice drawing trend lines. Okay, let's play this forward a bit and see if it's going to give us another setup. Look at this. We pulled back from the A35 a little bit. As you can see here, we formed another top, and I draw a trend line also from these two tops, just the same as I did on the previous setup, as you can see here. And I draw trend line, and I waited until this trend line is broken, and I'm gonna go enter this. And you can ask me when I sell. I mean, it depends on how much you would like to get out of the stock, and absolutely you should be realistic. You should not get so much of you should not look for too much of a strong move. Not all stocks will give this kind of a move, but AMC, as we know all, it's very volatile during this year, and that's why it gave almost 30% in single move after it break this trend line. Okay, let's play this a bit. As you can see here, another time we broke this trend line, and as I told you before, you can play it both way, either swing trade or a day trading. Look how much move did it make. 18%. As we broke this trend line, it made 18% in a single move. You can play this on day trading. It's so much profitable, but you have to place your stop and practice on such a trade. And also you might wonder, how can I know when it will break? You can absolutely, very simple. You can add an alert to the trend line, and you will be alerted once it breaks this trend line. You will be alerted, or you can place an alert here, and you can place and TradingView will alert you whenever this trend line is broken, or whenever this pivot or resistance got broken. And I also advise you to watch my free playlist about. I have so many technical analysis for beginners video, setups, trading setups, how to play them, technical analysis. I'm gonna place the link for this playlist. You can watch and learn. And there are so many free lessons. Trading is for everyone. Don't make it complicated. It's very easy. Take your time to learn, and I hope all the best for you. I am also honored by your subscribe. You can subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and I'm looking forward to meet you in another tutorial video. Bye bye.